Hi everyone, my name's Dave. I am from Mountbatten Estates. Today we've got a really jam-packed, exciting day of finding off-market development opportunities. It's going to be planning-led to begin with by my planning consultant John McDermott.
I'm here talking about planning. I'm giving our flagship talk today on planning, permitted development, prior notification and commercial conversion opportunities. This is me. I tick over my 20th year this year. I know it doesn't look like I've been doing this job 20 years. Bless you.
Then we've got Paul Davis coming down from Nimbus Maps, a very clever app that allows us to find these opportunities and put it all together. I'm extremely pleased to be able to present this to you today. It's quite exciting. There's going to be an inordinate amount of content we're going to share today.
Hi, Paul Davis here from Nimbus Maps. We're here with Mountbatten Estates and we've just had a great session with John McDermott, town planner, looking at all the vast swathes of PD rights we've now got currently in place in England. We're now going to use some technology to go find a whole load of opportunities and contact some owners off market. Let's get to it.
Then I have a session on all the various ways that we do find sites, backed up with plenty of examples, and then we're going to put all that content together and all the attendees are going to site find live on the day. Putting all the knowledge, all that planning knowledge, all that site finding knowledge to task right now. It's incredible. Everyone's contributing, everyone's sharing, everyone's finding they're being really creative with finding all these off-market opportunities.
Tim Birch, Sancton Developments. I've had a fantastic day here with Dave and the team from Mountbatten Estates. We've done live site finding, started off with understanding all the planning rules, permitted development, all the different ways to spot opportunities. Then we went on to a demonstration by Nimbus, and then in the afternoon, we actually did live site finding ourselves. And it was such great fun. And as a team, we all won a prize, and I got a beautiful torch. How about that?
Running this every 2 months. If you have any interest in joining us for the next one, please feel free to reach out on the details below. Thank you.